Hi everyone, welcome to another video. I'm Shruti Mandavkar and I'm currently a master's student in computer science at Purdue University. And in this video, I'll be showing you my grades in the subject Human Computer Interaction, which I took in fall 25, and this course was really amazing. It brought out the creativity in me and all the excitement with all the assignments and portions that I learned on how a user should interact with a app and how to build the design elements and UI so it is also accessible to different sorts of users. So let's unveil my grade and let's see how I performed in the subject. Now, here are my grades. I scored a perfect 100 on 100 in human computer interaction as well. It consisted of different in class activities, midterm project, and different weeks had different kinds of projects in it. And you can see I scored perfect points and great feedback in each of them, and we had some home assignments and different components of virtual in-class activity as well as UX research and UI research as well. It was really collaborative with viewing your presentation as well as your teammates and classmates presentation with peer reviews and annotations, annotating UI elements, thinking critically about UI elements. So it really brought out the creativity in me. We also had a bonus assignment where we had to read the extreme popular book on design called The Design of Everyday Things, which talks about how design is crucial in everyday elements and objects that we see around us, and how affordances and signifiers really help a user interact with a new object even without a learning curve. That's what we had an assignment on. We also worked on UX learning heuristic design principles, Norman's design principle, and a presentation as well. So, how did I do it? And what was the sequence like? Definitely, I am a little proud here because it was one of the most interesting courses that I ever took. All assignments, in class activities, midterm project, final project, and reflections, I went all in for this course. Every single assignment and activity led me into critical thinking. This course was packed with hands on learning. From the very first in class activity, we explored research contributions in human computer interactions, like evaluating interface design, applying grounded theory to real problems, and understanding how humans interact with the system in practical ways. Even small activities like peer reviews and reflections were graded with perfect marks for me because I focused on clarity, attention to detail, and ethical consideration. I made sure to cite every resource that I read in my assignments. I understood that human computer interaction isn't just about making something look nice, it's also about creating usable, ethical, and effective design. And so many designs we see on Figma are great UI prototypes, but it doesn't mean that they are equally usable. The midterm project was a big milestone. We performed a usability study on DoorDash app and evaluated a severity score for different types of users from newbie to experienced users and gave them different tasks and evaluated our results. In the end, we gave some UI recommendations that the app could refine upon and thoughtful design suggestions. Even though there were minor recommendations, I still achieved full marks for every deliverable and every presentation. The midterm really taught me how to structure research, create meaningful user data, and synthesize insights into actual designs and decisions. It's also about people behind the technology, not just technology itself. We used like Figma prototypes for UX analysis as well. I worked on the design selection, working on open codes, identifying the pain points, and theoretical application draft as well, along with my teammates. The final presentation and report tied all what we learned together. I grasped how to evaluate designs critically, apply HCI theories like closure, signifier affordances, Norman's seven theory, heuristics, and more. And moreover, I learned how to communicate these design decisions to a class of 30 people in the form of presentation clearly. It was bringing your own thoughts and concepts to life. It was about understanding human behavior, empathy, and designing for real users. HCI taught me to slow down, observe, and design with users in mind. So, yes, 100% perfect scores across the board, and even a bonus assignment. More than the grades, what I take from HCI is understand your users, think critically, and design you thoughtfully in computer science. Don't just code, run behind code. Don't just start coding the moment you see a problem. Identify the pain points of the users, talk to them, write the descriptions, the documentations first, and then move on to the coding part. That's it for this video, guys. If you want me to share tips on HCI, UX, research strategies, or computer science, let me know. If you want to learn my study strategies, let me know. Like this video, share, and subscribe. Let's keep learning, designing, and pushing our boundaries together. Thank you for watching. See you again in next video.